Good morning, student. Welcome back to linear circuit theory. And in today's class, we will discuss cauer first and second form for RL driving point function. So let's start with cauer first form. Okay. In cauer first form for the RL, inductor is always in series and resistance is always in parallel. Okay, in the first form. And this form is continue L1, R1, L2, R2, L3, R3. If starting element is inductor, then form is done for the ZS. And if starting element is R, as R1, L1, R2, L2, then form is done for the bias. And how can we decide that the form is done for the ZS or bias? So just take the function ZS and put S tend to infinity. And after putting infinity, if you will get the infinity, then form is done for the ZS. And if you get the constant, because it is starting with resistance, then form is done for the bias. Okay. And second method, how can you find S tend to infinity? In this case, the power of numerator is always greater than the denominator. So if the power of numerator is greater than denominator, without checking, just draw for the ZS. And constant कब आएगा? When numerator power equal to the denominator power, then go for the bias. Okay, so just we are starting with an example. So see, so suppose ZS equal to given as S plus 1, S plus 3 upon S plus 2 and the S plus 4. Just previous example as we have done for the first and second form. So in this case, all pole and 0 is lying in alternative way. Okay. And starting with 0, that is -1 is 0, pole at -2, then -3 is 0, and pole is at -4, and in alternative way, and nearest at the origin is 0. So this is my RL driving point function. So if we put in this function as S tend to infinity, we will get the constant. So we are getting the constant, so form is done for the bias. So just revert the function. So bias is S plus 2. So just open the function S square plus 2S plus 4S 6S plus 8 divided by S square plus 4S plus 3. So this is the function as bias. Reverse this function. Okay. Now in the cauer first form, we always divide the function in the decreasing power of S. Okay. So just take the in division form. So this is S square plus 4S plus 3. Divide from this to the dividend is S square plus 6S plus 8. So S square, that is 1. S square plus 4S plus 3. And remainder is 2S plus 5. Now from this remainder, divide the function as divisor S square plus 4S plus 3. So now you will get the S by 2. So this is S square plus 5 by 2 S. So now when we subtract 5 by 2 from 4, so this is 8 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 S plus 3. And the function is again 2S plus 5. Okay. Now divide this term. So this is 4 by 3. Okay, constant. So this is 2S plus 4 by 3. So this is 12 by 3. So that is 4. So remaining is 1. Divide the function 3 by 2s plus 3. So now this term is 3 by 2s. Okay. And the function is 3 by 2s. Remainder is 3. Now divide 1. So this is 1 by 3 and 1 equal to 0. Okay. So always done the division up to you get the 0. Okay, now see, we have divided all the term because we are drawing the function for by s. So this term is my by s. Okay, so function will be start by, this is z1, this is y2. So just here we are drawing the function. By means resistance, then series in inductor. This is y1. Okay, L इस तरह से आपका फंक्शन चलेगा. So the value of y1 is 1 ohm. So resistance value is 1 ohm. This is ZS, LS. So this is L1. So compare this with the Z1. So L1 is 1 by 2 Henry. This is by S. So the value of resistance is 3 by 4 ohm. Now next term is by 1 Z1 by 2. This is 3 by 2s. So the value of L2 is 3 by 2s. Okay, this is the value of L2, and the value of last, this is 3 by 2 and value is 1 by 3. So this is by 2 and this value is again Z3 and this value is by 3. Okay, so that is 3 by 2 L ये हो गया. So now by this is value of resistance is 3 ohm. So now put the value of resistance as 3. Okay, so that is my equivalent form of the first form of the function. That is clear. So cauer first form. Okay, now we will discuss the cauer second form. So in cauer second form, that is just opposite of the cauer first form. Okay, in cauer second form, R is in series and L is in parallel. Okay, so this is the standard form of the cauer second form. Okay, if starting element is R, then form is done for the ZS, and if starting element is L, then form is done for the bias. Okay, so far so good. So value of resistance is R1, L1, R2, L2, R3, L3, and if starting element is L, L1, R1, L2, R2. And how can we decide that the form is done for ZS or bias? So in second form, we always put S tend to 0. And after 0, because this is a constant resistance, you will get the constant, then form is done for the ZS. And if you will get the 0, then form is done for the bias. Okay, so constant कब आएगा? When the power of numerator equal to the denominator, just equal हो, और no जीरो एट ऑरिजिन, नो जीरो एट ऑरिजिन, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग किससे होनी है जी? जीरो से, तो ऑरिजिन पे जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, इफ जीरो कब आएगा? इफ फंक्शन हैज जीरो एट ऑरिजिन, ऑरिजिन पे अगर जीरो है तो फॉर्म बाई एस के लिए, यानी इसके लिए फंक्शन कैसे होगा? जीरो से स्टार्ट हो रहा होगा, जीरो पोल जीरो पोल. और जब जेड एस के लिए फंक्शन होगा तो किस तरह से होगा जी, नॉन जीरो, ऑरिजिन पे जीरो नहीं होगा, देन फॉर्म इज डन फॉर द जेड एस. So just take the example. So as same example, z equal to s plus 1 s plus 3 divided by s plus 2 and s plus 4. Okay, if we put as s tend to 0, the value of function is constant, and when the value of constant, then we will draw the form for the zs. Clear? ओके, तो जेड एस के लिए ड्रॉ होगी, यानी स्टार्टिंग विथ आर एल इस तरह से मेरा फंक्शन चलेगा. ओके, क्लियर? सो इन कॉस सेकंड फॉर्म we always draw divide the function in increasing term of s. So now this function is 8 plus 6s plus s square. इससे मुझे डिवाइड करना है क्या, 3 plus 4s plus s square. Okay. So now see, so first term is 3 by 8. So this is 3 plus 3 by 8. So this term is 9 by 4 s plus 3 by 8 s square. Okay. Subtract remainder में क्या बचा? This is 7 by 4 s plus 5 by 8 s square. ओके, इससे मुझे क्या डिवाइड करना है? दिस इज 8 प्लस 6s प्लस s स्क्वायर. ओके, जब फंक्शन को मैं डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज 32 बाई 7s. ओके, कितना बचा? दिस इज 8 प्लस एंड दिस टर्म इज 20 बाई 7s. रिमाइंडर कितना रहा जी? 22 बाई 7s प्लस s स्क्वायर. ओके, इससे हमें डिवाइड करना है 7 बाई 4 s प्लस सेकेंड टर्म इज कितना बचा? 5 बाई 8 s स्क्वायर. ओके, तो अब मुझे जब ये डिवाइड कर रहा है, सो दिस टर्म इज 49 बाई 88. ओके, तो कितना आएगा जब डिवाइड किया? सो दिस टर्म इज 7 बाई 4s प्लस 49 बाई 88 s स्क्वायर. ओके, कितना बचा? व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 बाई 8 minus 49 by 88. Okay, so when we calculate this term, this is equivalent to 48 by 704 s square. Okay, okay, so now just wait. Now next term is, इससे मुझे फंक्शन डिवाइड करना है. नेक्स्ट टर्म इज 27 बाई 7s प्लस s स्क्वायर. रिमाइंडर कितना रहेगा? दिस इज 27 इंटू 704 अपॉन 48 इंटू 7. टाइम कितना बचा? दिस इज 27 बाई 7 and that is s. Okay, s, now remainder is s square. Divisor now become 48 by 704 s square. So this term is 48 by 704 and this is 48 by 704 s square and that is cancel out. Okay, now जस्ट बिकॉज फॉर्म हमने किसके लिए ड्रॉ किया? देखो कि फॉर्म इज ड्रॉन फॉर द ZS। तो बस सिंपल 1/1 हम वैल्यू ले रहे हैं। सो द वैल्यू ऑफ now function is the value of function is this is R। now remember this is the value of this is 32/7। just wait, this is in divide। so this is the value of Z1, that is the value of y1। so the value of Z1 is 3/8। so now this element is 3/8 ohm। this term is by s, so 1 upon ls। so this the element value is 7/32 Henry। next term see Z1 by1, this is my Z2। so see the value of Z2 is 49/88। okay, so the value of Z2 and this by 2, this is again by 2, Z2 by 2। so Z2 is 49/88। so just put into the function। so the value of this resistance is 49/88 ohm, and value of by 2 is 48 into 7 upon 27 into 704 Henry। and again last element is Z, and that is 48 divided by 704 Henry। okay, so now connect this function, this is Henry and this is drawn for the Z। so this is my cauer second form। okay, clear? okay, today we will stop here and we will discuss the cauer form and foster form for LC function।